Chapter 1: The Origins of Humankind. The Fossil Record. The fossil record is an invaluable repository of information about life on Earth over billions of years. It consists of the preserved remains or traces of animals, plants, and other organisms that have been buried and transformed over time. These fossils provide a unique glimpse into the evolutionary history of our planet and the interconnectedness of life. The formation of fossils occurs through a complex process known as fossilization. When organisms die, their soft tissues typically decompose rapidly. However, under certain conditions, these tissues may be replaced by minerals or other substances, creating a durable record of the organism's existence. The most common types of fossilization include petrification, where minerals fill the spaces within an organism's tissues, and molds and casts, where minerals form impressions of the organism's external or internal structure. Fossils are classified into two main categories: body fossils and trace fossils. Body fossils include the actual preserved remains of organisms, such as bones, shells, leaves, and pollen. Trace fossils, on the other hand, are indirect evidence of organisms, such as footprints, burrows, and feeding marks. Both types of fossils provide valuable insights into the behavior, ecology, and evolutionary relationships of past organisms. The fossil record is incomplete, with only a small fraction of the organisms that have ever lived being preserved. This incompleteness is due to several factors, including the limited conditions necessary for fossilization, the destruction of fossils over time, and the difficulties in finding and extracting fossils from the Earth's crust. Nonetheless, the existing fossil record provides a remarkable record of the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. Fossils as evidence of evolution. One of the most important uses of the fossil record is to provide evidence for evolution. Fossils show that the organisms that inhabited the Earth in the past were different from those that exist today, and that these changes occurred gradually over time. This gradual change, known as evolution, is supported by the presence of transitional fossils, which exhibit characteristics of both ancestral and descendant species. For example, the fossil record shows that modern horses evolved from small three-toed ancestors over millions of years. Transitional fossils, such as Mesohippus, have been found that exhibit a mix of three-toed and one-toed features, providing evidence for the gradual evolution of the horse's single-toed foot. The fossil record also provides evidence for the branching of evolutionary lineages over time. Fossils of early tetrapods, or four-legged animals, show that they evolved from fish-like ancestors. Over time, different lineages of tetrapods.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?